Hi everyone, this is Manikandan from Longify Reviews. Welcome to my SmartAgentX review. So, SmartAgentX is the autonomous AI agent that turns any website into a free traffic generating content machine in without manually do anything from your side. So, SmartAgentX do all the work faster, easier, and better. So now this is the Smart Agent X in page. Now I enter my email and the password. Now I click sign in. This is the Smart Agent X dashboard. From here left side you can see dashboard, projects, AI social post options, and you can see AI tools like image generator, generator, website SEO content generator, blog content generator, email content generator, social media writer, article writer, and a YouTube content generator, and lastly, audio to text generator. Now, take the projects. Now, we need to create one projects. So, create project, give it a project name. So, project one. Project's objective is I select sales. Channel type will be social post. Okay. Then URL. I click fetch. Now AI analyzing website and create a prompt for add copy. Now click this policy icon. Yeah, I will improve this prompt. Now AI improve this prompt. Now AI generation prompt for add image. We need to enter an uh, prompt for add image. Create an add image. Now click this policy icon. It will enhance this prompt. See guys, create a vibrant and engaging visual design. Very good guys. Now product image. We need to add one project image. I added one project image. Now we need to select brand voice profile. So authoritative, goal focus, conversion. Okay guys. Now we need to generate this preview button. Click this. Now AI content generating in process. You can also save draft or click submit. See guys, now our project is ready. You can also create for email, blog, article. Okay guys. Now click this AI social post. Now click manage accounts. We need to add one connect account. So I need to add one account. So I want to connect my Facebook page. So click connect page. Now, okay guys. Now I select my Facebook page and save selected. See guys, my Facebook page successfully connected to this Smart Agent X. Now click manage post. Now we need to create one post. So click this create post. Click this generate with AI. So I want to sell my top training coaching program. Now click generate. Look at this, guys. It was very looking very good area. Now click in insert, click media set, generate with the VAI. Click this option. See, guys, very good, awesome images. It looks very good, guys. So I select this image. You can also post now or schedule. You can select the post time. Uh, you can select date, then schedule post. Now we need to select account. I select my dog training account. Now post now option and I click publish, and my post was published, guys, on my Facebook page. You can click this view details. See, guys, the post was successfully published on my Facebook page. Now we click this AI tools image generator, guys. Now document title, document one, topic. We need to click this icon, police icon. Then you need to select output size and variation. You also select 2 or 3, whatever you can. I select 1. Now click generate. See, guys, the image was amazing, right? You can also download this image. Now click image variation. You can also create image variation. The topic. Now click this policy icon. A will enhance this. Now need to upload media. Download. I upload my photo. Now click generate. Also output size and variation. Click generate. Now AI generating our image. See, guys, our image variation was successfully created. It was looks very good, right? Now click graphic tool. You can also check this graphic tool. You can also click and edit anything, text, image, AI content generation. You can edit everything. Now click ads content. Now create Facebook ads. Now give a document title. Document thing about. Now click this policy icon. AI will enhance this. Now click generate. See, guys, the Facebook ad successfully created. See, guys, the output very good, right? You can also copy or download. Now Google Ads. You can also do this as same. Now, now let's look at this website SEO content. Website title. You can also give it a title. Document title. Document 4 about training, coaching, So then transform your dog experience. See guys, just generate. See guys, the output was amazing. Now also you can do same as meta description and the meta keyword research. Now let's look at this block. So block is same as guys. You can also check out block and the email content generator. If you have the email list, this is very useful for you guys. Not document title, you need to give a document title. Document five about I want to sell my dog training coaching. Now click this policy icon. AI will enhance this prompt. Guys, right now generate. Let's see what will come. See guys, the email looks very your list will love, and if you also put affiliate links also they will click that. Also you can do email subject lines, cover letter, anything you want to do that with this smart agent X. Now let's look at social media writer, tweet generator. You can write your tweet generator. uh, Document 6 keyword and topics. You want to enter tick keywords, talk training and coaching. Now click this icon. See the keyword and topics already created. Now click generate. What will come? See guys, the tweet was ready to take your dog training skills to the next level. Start with consistency and patience, and remember positive reinforcement is key. Treats and praises work wonders. Looks very good tweet, right? Also, you want to do IG hashtag, Facebook post, LinkedIn post with this same method, guys. Now let's look at this article writer, guys. You want to give a title, guys, about. Now click this policy icon. Okay, guys. Now click generate. See, guys, our article writer output was amazing, guys. See, guys, very good, right? You can also copy, download. Also, you have story generator, article rewriter, grammatical error fix, and product description. So, guys, it's very good if you are a blocker or content writer. Now, let's look at this YouTube content video title. In the same method, guys, you want to generate YouTube title, video description, tag generator, video ideas, YouTube intros, YouTube outlines, whatever you want to create with this SmartAgentX, guys. Now I want to create example Smart Agent X review. It's very good product. I'll click this. See, guys. Also, this is video description, tag generator, video ideas, YouTube intros, and YouTube outlines. If you are a YouTuber, this is very useful, guys. Smart Agent X will help you to write a video description, video title, tag generator, video ideas, YouTube intros, and YouTube outlines. Now, lastly, audio to text, guys. Okay, guys. Now, let's look at what is there. Now, audio transcript, guys. You just enter a title and you need to write about. You can click this police icon, then AI enhance this. Then you need to upload your MP3 or MP4. Then click generate. Then it will comes with uh, MP3 to text. If okay, guys, this is my review of SmartAgentX. So basically, if you are a marketer or a social media content creator, this Smart Agent X is a very helpful product. Smart Agent X, it's very good product. Check out the Smart Agent X. The link in the description. If you purchase Smart Agent X through my link, you will also get my extra bonuses like article buddy pro, auto video creator, customer list builder, selling to the world, abstract image collector, graphics embedded, affiliate miner, so much more, guys. And all these bonuses available after your purchase on your JVG purchase dashboard. And if you want to know what are the extra bonuses you will get, so I put my bonus page link in the description below, so you can check what are the extra bonuses you will get. And I want to tell you Smart Agent X pricing. The front end start around $37 one time. Then Smart Agent X Pro OTO 1 price $67, guys. Then OTO 2 Smart Agent X DFI Agency Kit price $97, guys. OTO 3 Smart Agent X Booster price $47, guys. OTO 4 Smart Agent X reseller license price $197, guys. And bundle deal price $367, guys. And the mega bundle deal is price $127, guys. So guys, check out the Smart Agent X, the link in the description. If you are a marketer, this will very helpful. Don't forget to like this video, guys, and I will see you in the next review.